Good afternoon, rail fans. Wasn't really planning on catching a train this late in the afternoon. However, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm sitting here under the Highway 164 bridge in Ackerville, waiting for a weed sprayer train. And I've caught this type of train before. If you search my videos, you'll see it. Why I'm interested in this particular one is that it's being led by an EJ&E SD38-2, still in EJ&E paint. So I think that's pretty cool all by itself. I don't know if I really care much about the weed sprayer part. I'm sitting in my car and I plan on catching this with my drone because I don't really know how much spraying is actually going to be going on. I don't really want to be ingesting chemicals for the sake of catching a video. So we shall see how this works, but hopefully this sketch is cool. Some good old-fashioned EMD power of an Eastern Joliet locomotive. Have a good day.